Hey everybody, it's me, Rudy, and this is Raimi. The other day she was on, and I was like, "What? You're on with Kristen, your mom, and like you didn't go on my show with me doing it? No. Totally not fair. Like, no, you're going on it with me." So I stole her, and she's gonna make this awesome National Chip Day. All right. So watch this. So we took the awesome ingredients: flour tortilla, right? Avocado, salsa, cheese, and black beans. And guess what? Doritos. Who doesn't love Doritos? So we're going to take the tortilla, right? We're going to lay it down. You trying to beat me, huh? Lay it down, right? And we're going to put...
Salsa goes first?
Huh? Actually, let's do salsa. Let's do cheese.
Oh, okay.
Let's do cheese. Get on the cheese. Pile on the cheese. Pile it on. Yeah, get on. Oh, yeah.
This is all right.
Yum. Okay, cool. Look, get all the cheese, right? Now let's get the beans. A couple spoonfuls of beans would be great. Yeah. Ooh, this would be so good. Oh, I can't wait. Can't wait, guys. Yum. You're doing a great job, my big helper. All right, that's perfect. Now let's get some avocado. Can you touch it? Can you do it? Is it too slimy for you?
It's too slimy.
It's slimy. But it's so good. Avocados are so good. Right? Oh, avocados are so good for you. You know that, guys? So many good vitamins in there. It's a good healthy fat for you guys. You know that? The black beans are good.
Wait, down.
Oh, we gotta get salsa. Oh, your hands are messy, Marvin. Can I do the salsa?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're gonna get some salt. Oh, you know what we gotta do too? Ooh, how about this? I have an idea. I have an idea, guys. We're gonna wait on the salsa because you know what? We're gonna put the chips on here. I'm gonna pile up the chips.
I want one, but I can't.
Oh, you want to play, but you can't get. Go home. Okay. So we're gonna pile on the chips here, guys. Oh, you want to go? Oh, look, I gotta go. Okay. So, pile them on.
I need napkin.
Lick them. Lick your fingers. Okay, we're gonna pile them on here, right? Crush them up, right? We're gonna fold it up. So simple, right? Okay, get it in the bracket. Close it up. You can hear the crunch. Put it in the locking position. Get it in there. Put it in your toaster. You just set it to the highest setting. Push it down, and you're done. And the coolest thing is, in a few minutes, we're gonna have literally like the best pocket that's gonna have cheese and beans and avocado and Doritos in there. Oh, you guys are gonna love this thing. So, check it out. Guess what? It popped. Ooh, I can't wait to see what it looks like. Yum. Oh, you just like rip the side. Okay. I can't wait, huh? Okay. It's gonna be hot, right? So when you're done with your tortillas, you put it where?
Right
in the toaster.
No, you don't. You put it right here so it can cool down.
Nice. Look at that. Okay, guys. So we're gonna cut this guy open.
Nope.
And we're going to see what it's all about, right?
Nope.
Nope, not yet? Okay, here we go. Here we go, everyone. Drum roll, please. Ooh, I hear it. Ooh, you hear the crunch?
No, I can't.
I hear the crunch. Oh, man.
I will eat that.
Look at that. Look at that, guys. Oh, man. See, that smells good. So you see the chip in there, the cheese, Oh, the avocado, the beans. Oh, that is like the best. Oh, that is so good. Yum. And we just take some salsa on there, right?
Put it on the side.
We're gonna put it right there so you dip it in there. Okay.
I want this one.
Ooh, that's really good salsa, guys.
I like it better.
Ooh. But you want the bigger one. I see what it is. Okay. Yum. Mmm. What do you... Guys, now that right there is a bomb snack. Look at that. What do you think? Kid approved? Yeah, look at that. So, go out and make this, guys. You guys, trust me, you're not going to regret it. You're going to like it. Awesome snack. Or meal. Whatever you feel like it's going to be to you. All right, guys. Get ready for the next one. Thanks so much. What do you say?
Bye.
Peace.